All right, guys, next up, we got another Gold Rush multi-sport value pack, one pack or one box break. There's 3 cards per break, mix of graded cards, inserts, autos, relics, any number of things here. So it's based on the first letter of the last name. So Alan, you've got last name letters K, N, and P. David's got last name letter G. George has got B, D, and H. Jeff, you've got C, E, I, and O. Julius with A, F, and J. Nicholas, you've got last name letter W. Robert with M, R, and S. And then Trevor, you've got L and T. All right. All right, first up, we got an Evan Fitzpatrick autographed relic. Canada Juniors card there. So last name letter F, which will be Julius. Next, we got a Baker Mayfield Rookies and Stars rookie, who is now, where's he going to play at? He's going to be the backup to, or maybe he'll be a starter if Deshaun gets suspended. So last name letter M. Robert, that's you. And then last one is going to be another hockey auto, Gary Bromley. Between the pipes from, what is that, In the Game? So last name letter G, or excuse me, B on that. All right, and that'll do it. So a couple hockey cards, hockey autos. We'll get those in the mail tomorrow. Appreciate you guys jumping in on this break.